Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Mary Lene and I'm back with another natural hair video. If you guys have been watching my hair videos recently, you'll see that I had my friend B straighten my hair, and boy, was that a process. Like, geez, my neck was literally traumatized. But anyway, thank you so much, Bianca, for doing my hair. I really appreciate it. I look so good with my hair straightened. When I tell you I hadn't had my hair straightened for 2.5 years, I'm so serious. I didn't know how I was gonna look, but I actually looked really good. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you follow me at @TheRealMaryLene, and maybe I'll post again some of the, you'll be able to see like the posts that I made with my straight hair. But anyway, it's time to go back to my curls because I miss them. I miss my girls. So I'm going to do, I don't know what I'm going to do yet. Right now I'm just going to wash my hair, deep condition it, and then after that we'll see what I decide to do. I might do a wash and go, I might do a twist out, depends what I want to do. It's like 6:33 right now, so if I did a wash and go, I'd have like the whole night for it to dry, and I have my hooded dryer, so it's fine. But yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and yeah, let's get started. So right now I'm going to pre-poo my hair, and pre-poo is to really get it works on your hair before you shampoo so that you get all that dirt and stuff out faster, but it also keeps the nutrients in your hair. So I like the Palmer's coconut oil pre-shampoo. It's really good. I use it almost all the time. I got it from Five Below, as you can see, from Five Below. We're going to start with that. So what I like to do is I'm gonna bring my mirror in here, sorry if you can see it. I like to section my hair into 4 sections when I do this. It's weird because I've never done this on straight hair before. No, that's not it. I need to wait till my hair gets a little longer before I ever decide to do a middle part. I look like Lord Farquaad. Yeah, before I ever decide to do a middle part, I'm definitely making sure my hair is a lot longer. I can't wait to do this again. It was fun while it lasted, but yeah. I hope everybody's Black History Month is going very well. And if you go to my if you go to my Instagram, you know how you have like your story highlights is under Black History Month. So I've done James Baldwin, Madam C.J. Walker, Malcolm X, Shirley Chisholm, Jesse Owens. I did a little tribute for Trayvon Martin, Phyllis Wheatley, and Medgar Evers, and I did a one on George Stinney because I thought that it was very important that we talk about it because he was the youngest person to be executed by the electric chair. He was 14 years old. And I also did Angela Davis, and I have to do one today. But yeah, those are the people that I've done so far, and I'm hoping that I can continue it throughout the whole month of February. So I have my hair sectioned. I'm gonna take the back section, then put it up and oh my god. This is like a coconut overdose. Take some of these. We're gonna take some of this right here. We're just gonna put it starting top. Now just let that bad boy sit for 10 minutes, then wash that sucker out. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry if this looks a little different than we started. I really don't know what happened. Yeah, just bear with me. So right now we're going to work on my deep conditioner. This is such a long process, but my deep conditioner. So I'm going to be using this Cream of Nature Argan Oil deep conditioner. Oh, first of all, why is it not focused on me? Focus on me. On top of that, we're going to use, I'm going to mix it with this honey, some olive oil, this, what is that? This argan oil, and we have this black Jamaican castor oil. Sorry, I like to sing, so I'll be singing, and is also this coconut oil. I mix all them together into this concoction. And then I'm going to add all of this cream of nature product. So I'm going to start the process of putting this deep conditioner in my hair. Yeah, you guys just watch, you know, listen to some music that I'm gonna play. I don't know why I'm in such a singing mood. Oh, let me mix this up. Looks gross. It smells delicious. Oh, actually, no, it does not smell good at all. It smells nasty.
A few minutes later.
Alright guys, I'm tired. This process is so long, but it is what it is. Alright, my hair is not too wet anymore, so get rid of this tail. I just got this green extreme gel, and I've been looking for this thing for a while. So I finally found it. I got it at my beauty supply store for $169, $169. So we're going to use our curling Hansen smoothie. We're gonna risk it for the biscuit and this green extreme gel. This is the extra hold and it's already extreme, so okay. So the first thing I'm gonna do, my hair got so dry. We're gonna drench this bad boy. Then I'm gonna go in with my Aunt Jackie's detangling leave-in conditioner. I was cold, but then it was making so much noise, so I was like, can't do it. I can't do it. So now we're going to start detangling this, and then I'm going to take my As I Am leave-in conditioner. And actually, I think I'm gonna start with my wash and go now. The process. Alright guys, so in my other videos I had already went into depth and like completely showing you the whole thing of how I do my wash and goes. So if you want to see a more in-depth version, go look at those because this is going to take me a minute. Plus I'm already tired. So go look at those videos. I'm going to show you guys what it all looks like when I finish up. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in a little bit. Okay guys, so I finished my wash and go process, and these curls, guys, these curls. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer for about an hour and study, because the girl got a quiz tomorrow. I'm gonna study, and then in the morning I'll show you guys again how everything looks. But I'm so happy to be back to my curls. I miss them. So yeah, I guess I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, guys. So this is the, well, it's afternoon. So this is the final look. As you can see, my hair is really defined. I really shocked a lot of people today because I just started doing wash and goes like during the winter semester of college, so not a lot of people have seen my hair like this. So when, you know, I bust out these curls, like, oh my gosh, your hair is so beautiful. And I'm telling you guys, if you follow this method, you'll have beautiful defined curls just like this. As you can see, they're so juicy. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you back next week for my next video. Bye!